I'm going to show you how to apply under eye pads. So in this video, we're using ESLASHES Collagen Under Eye Pads. So first things first, we want to turn the light all the way down or turn it completely off just while we're applying those under eye pads because it's super bright with their eyes open, and we can turn it back on once the client's eyes are closed. So then we're going to have the client open their eyes and just look normally and tilt and move the iPad until we find the perfect spot to place it down. It's different on everybody, so make sure you play around with this a little bit. Each eye is different, and we're going to want to place the iPad over the bottom lashes, securing them down. You don't want to go too close to the eye. You definitely don't want to go on or in the waterline area because this can actually bruise the client's eye. So we want to go right next to it, but not in it or on it, just to make sure that the client's eye is safe and healthy and comfortable. So we're going to gently secure the inner corner of that iPad and move outwards, and we can repeat this process on the other eye. Now use a little piece of lash tape if needed to cover up any little baby lashes that may have popped up, just a small piece on a diagonal, and you can complete this process on both eyes. Have the client close their eyes slowly, always check to make sure that they're comfortable, and readjust the iPads if needed. So don't be afraid to use your very clean fingers to manipulate the lid or eye area. This goes for while you're readjusting or even while you're applying those iPads. It can help a lot to use your fingers. And check your work with a mirror to make sure that the eye is fully closed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.